Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Jylla Jong ka Kynhun Myntri Jong ka Sorkar Jylla ka Belasong ha ka khatlai trik mentau nai wieng arajar kat khandai. Ka Ïatai sani bha komno banwa dikilat Kyntiew naga benta ban penreben ya ka Tyngka Jong ka Sorkar Jylla. Khamtam hadian bakalami ke jingkeno baka Sorkar Jylla menta ke Kyntiew kala ban ma dia ke jinghiran pisa ka besar khaiba hakini ki khandiat banai ban sawan. U Myntri rang ba ka Jylla u konrat kongkal sangma ha ka jingkren bat kinong pathai khubor hadin ke Jylla ulai thu. Bakalami ke jing ajing mod hakani ke Jylla banwan ra i ke jing penbet thamai haki rules hakaba ansara Ïatai biang ha ke Jylla Jong ka Kynhun Myntri ka ban salong hadin. Hakaju kapor u konrat kongkal sangma ulai thu ru baka Sorkar ka son ra ru ye ke jing penkala ha ke excise rule khnang banla ban pemi khambon ka khajna.
We are in the process of ensuring that the overall revenue collection of the state, to how to enhance and improve the overall revenue collection. So in that regards, there were some rules that we were trying to amend today, but then more positive suggestions have come, and therefore all the suggestions have been incorporated. And again, the cabinet will sit again to incorporate the suggestions that were made by the cabinet members, and then the fresh cabinet note will be put again for clearance by the cabinet. Hopefully that will take place tomorrow. So there was only one agenda. So apart from that, we obviously discussed about other departments and how to ensure that the revenue collections and revenue of each department must go out. It is basically measures to increase the revenue, and there will be some new rules that will be inserted, and it's to do, as I said, with revenue collection, and we're hopeful that once that happens, we would see a significant jump in the revenue of excise department. In fact, we have taken the decision, and we have decided to go ahead with the concept, but there were more suggestions that came in that maybe to improve it even better, some more words can be added, and so those will be added now into the amendment of the rules, and will be brought again to cabinet. So it was a very positive meeting. The cabinet is in one regarding this decision, but the wordings are going to be changed. Change means, in more words are going to be inserted, and it will be hopefully passed tomorrow. At the same time, we also discussed about the overall meeting that we're going to have in the evening today with the district councils. All the CEMs of the 3 district councils have been asked to come, and important issues concerning the state and the region are going to be discussed in that meeting. So I briefed the cabinet about that meeting also. So that was all.